Hey there, and welcome back. Today, we're taking a quick look at a super handy tool on the NovaChat called Word Finder. Word Finder helps you locate words in the vocabulary so you can learn where they live and how to say them. It's a great way to explore LAMP words for life and build confidence using it. Here's how it works. From your vocabulary screen, choose the keyboard button. Then, type the word you're looking for and select the Word Finder button in the top row. If the word is part of Words for Life, you'll be guided through the symbol sequence on the screen, step by step.
Kick.
It's that easy. And it's a great way to learn new words or double-check where something is. Give it a try and see what you can discover. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more AAC tips and tricks. See you next time.